So sufficient number has joined till now. 13 students have joined. So we will continue. I'll just show you who has submitted the assignment. Assignment, it was not assignment in that way. It was just a class assignment which we want to discuss here. So these are the people. I believe you will be able to see my screen. Right?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to see my screen? Yes. So Narayani, Vibhav, Ujjwal, Shrikant, Shikhar, Sankalp, Aniket, and Tulika. These students have submitted. So anybody want to discuss? Tulika is there. Who is there? So I'll just open and we can discuss on that submission. So it will be better to in the way to understand the things. So who is there out of these? Vibhav, your assignment is there?
Yes, sir. I have uploaded it.
Vibhav,
Yes, sir.
let us see what you have submitted. No, this wasn't given. I gave you the other one.
सर यही तो था सर.
ये वाला था, मैंने दूसरा दिया था ना. कौन सा दिया था मैंने?
सर आपने 3 असाइनमेंट्स दिए हैं अभी तक.
नहीं, ये मैंने डिस्कस करने के लिए बोला था कि ये मैं डिस्कस करूंगा नेक्स्ट मार्कस एग्जांपल. मार्कस का नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल बोला था मैंने.
यस सर.
ये वाला नहीं, दूसरा बोला था. कौन सा बोला था? ट्यूटोरियल, दिस वन. ये मैंने सबमिट किया था ना. ये पूछा, बोला भी था तुमसे करने के लिए. ये किसने किया है? ये वाला.
I can't see your screen.
हाँ, anybody has done this one? Just open one by one. Who is there? Vibhav, you didn't do this one. Niharika, have you done this one? Nikita?
So actually on the EduNext, the assignment that Vibhav has done, that was there. So
नहीं, वो तो ऑलरेडी हम कर चुके थे क्लास में. I just wanted you to try this one so that we can discuss it in class. I planned it to be a flipped class kind of thing so that we can make it more interactive.
okay.
So if anybody has done this one, can you tell? Abhinav, anyone who has done this one?
Sir, your voice is not audible.
My voice is not audible. Narayani, have you done this one? The example which I just show you. Narayani is there. Ujjwal.
सर ये वाला नहीं किया. वो जो आपने
why you have done this one? I don't know, like where you got this that you have to.
Sir, you have uploaded this one only, no?
I uploaded this one only.
ये वाला था जो नेक्स्ट पे यही दिखा रहा था वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट.
अच्छा.
Yes, sir. That's why we have done this.
अच्छा, तो ये गलती से मैंने वो वाला अटैच कर दिया। मैंने क्लास में तो आपको वही दिखाया था। देखता हूँ, हाँ ये मैंने असाइनमेंट ये वाला कर दिया हो शायद। लेट अस सी। नहीं, यही तो है, यही अटैच्ड। This is the only one which I have attached. You didn't opened this attachment?
Yes, sir, it's available. It's there.
The one which I attached is this one only, na?
Yes, sir. Predicate logic, it's there in another. Maybe people who haven't done the previous one couldn't see that one, or they got confused.
Okay. Okay,
But
then we
this is
continue
available,
with
sir.
this. Hmm?
This is also available on EduNext.
Yeah, this one I wanted you to come try to perform so that we can discuss. So let us see. Uh, I just opened there, no? Yeah, this one. So now can you let us try to discuss man Marcus, the predicate for man Marcus will be this, right?
Yes, sir.
For Pompeian Marcus, it will be simple. Pompeian Marcus. Now can you tell me what will be this?
Sir,
Marcus
born,
was born. Huh?
sir, born, bracket में Marcus, comma 40.
On Marcus,
Comma 40.
comma
40.
40.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then all men are mortal.
For all X, man X, 2 mortal X.
So I just say for all x,
Man X, 2.
and x, mortal x, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
And for
Sir, for
all,
all X, I will.
हाँ वो for all x यहाँ पे सिंबल नहीं है ना अभी फिलहाल। So I'm
Okay.
just writing. कीबोर्ड में सिंबल नहीं है ना उसका।
Yes, okay.
All Pompeian died. तो इसको all को मैं all लिख देता हूँ। All x, ठीक है। Then for all Pompeian died when the volcano erupted.
Sir, erupted volcano, comma 79.
हाँ, erupted
Volcano, comma 79.
volcano, 79.
Sir, फिर and लगा के for all X, that is Pompeian.
And for all x, all x,
Pompeian X.
Pompeian x,
Uh,
so
to die X, comma 79.
Pompeian x died
मतलब सर वो एरो लगा के died X, comma 79.
x comma 79. Okay, then no mortal
So
lives
for
longer
all,
than 150. For all
all x for all t1.
T1, what is T1? यहाँ पे भी हमें x1 ये लिखना चाहिए ना, x1 man x1 x1 x1, that I told you, right? Then here also x2 or we will do this thing in while doing conversion into normal form. We have to use separate different variable in every statement, right? That we have to remember. Either we can do here at the time of writing the predicate logic or at the time of converting them into CNF. Okay. So all x3, all t1, then
all t2.
all t2 भी आएगा. Okay. So anybody is having problem in this while we are writing, you can raise the question. While we are writing all these things, anybody is having problem? So yes, who is there? Who is talking right now? All x3, all t1, all t2, then
Sir, colon.
Bhavya.
Yes, sir.
Then all x3, all. So what we have to do, no mortal lives longer than 150 years. So what, how we are going to present? We have to use greater than function here. Okay, because we are talking about years which are more than 150. Okay, so we have to use greater than function. That is why two time variables have come into the picture, t1 and t2. So t1 will refer to first time and t2 will refer to second time. Now what we will say? Yes, Bhavya.
Sir, mortal x3 and
Mortal x3
greater than
and
greater than t2
greater than,
minus
okay, t2 greater than
t2 minus t1
minus t1 comma
comma
150.
150.
Okay. Then
Implies that died
implies, okay, implies
died x3 comma t2.
x3 comma t2.
Yes, sir.
तो अब यहाँ पे कुछ मिस कर दिया, क्या तुमने? देखो t2 minus t1, what is t1?
सर बॉर्न की डेट आ जाएगी.
बॉर्न की डेट आनी चाहिए ना, तो एंड लगेगा, एंड x3 comma t1 and something like this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So for all x3, for all t1, for all t2, mortal x3 and born x3 t1 and greater than t2 minus t1 comma 150 implies died x3 t2. Okay, very good. Now what is this? Anybody else? Anyone else who can try this one? Salil?
Yes, sir.
Mhm. So we are doing conversion. We are writing predicates. So what will be the predicate for this?
It is now 1991, sir. So we can do it as present in brackets 1991.
Present 1991. Okay. Or now 1991. You can write anything. You have to do the similar way. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you are doing present, somebody will say now or current. So you may use different words to imply predicate, but then you should use them uniformly in the other predicates. Okay. So present is 1991. Okay, then alive means not dead.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you please add Khushi in the meeting?
Ushi is she waiting?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Salil.
Yes, sir.
Alive means not dead.
Alive means not dead. Sir,
Alive
for
means
all,
not dead.
sir, for all
Huh?
x, alive x
For all
implies
x, alive x, alive x implies
uh, implies negation of dead of x.
okay, not dead. So not dead x. Is it complete? Alive means not dead. So when I say alive means not dead, that means I want both way implication. So alive means not dead means if it
Sir,
is alive,
bidirectional.
so it will be bidirectional. So bidirectional notate करने के लिए I just use this one. Okay. So this is bidirectional. अभी यहाँ पे हम symbols का थोड़ा सा compromise कर रहे हैं because I do not have all the symbols in keyboard and I don't want to make it worse by writing by my pen. So that will not look very good. So I will show you the converted form later on. So while doing this exercise, I am just using keyboard and the notations which are available on keyboard. Okay. So mind it, remember that whatever the symbols we are using, they may not be the exact symbols which we use in predicate logic exactly. ठीक है? So for example, all x हमने यहाँ पे use किया, all x का मतलब ये दूसरा symbol होता है all वाला, वो use करना. Okay?
Yes.
If someone dies, he is dead at all later times. Anybody else who can write? If someone dies, he is dead at all later times. Gyanendra? Vibhav?
Yes, sir.
Nikhil?
Sir, for all x,
For all x. Who is that?
sir, Vibhav.
Vibhav, yes. So for all x.
So we will use T1 and T2 as we have used, or T3 or T4.
For all x. T3, T4. All T3. All T3.
Yes, sir. For all T3, T4.
All T4.
Died x comma T1.
Died.
So there will be a colon in between all T4 and died.
वो minor things हैं, वो अभी हम exact नहीं use कर रहे ना, we are just trying
Yes.
to understand what we are doing. So died X, so
comma
suppose we have to use some other, like यहाँ पे हम X4 कर देंगे,
X4 and T3.
So this is X4 and then this will be X5, for example. So we are in X5. So X5, died X5,
comma T3.
Excuse me, sir.
T3, yes.
Sir, Shreyas is waiting outside the chat, out in the lobby. Can you please accept him?
Yes. Okay. So died X5, comma T3
and greater than
and greater than
T4 comma T3
comma 3. Yes.
implies dead.
Implies
Dead.
that died X5
X5 comma T4.
comma T4. Yeah, simple. Good. Anything else we might have missed? So this is how we can represent. Okay. So finally, what will happen? We will have to convert them. So I'll just show you the actual conversions. You just look at these. Now, so man Marcus was man, is this man Marcus? Marcus was Pompeian Marcus. Marcus was born in 40 AD, born Marcus 40. All men are mortal. For all X, man X implies mortal X. All Pompeian died when the volcano erupted in 79 AD. So erupted volcano 79, and for all X, Pompeian X died X 79. Okay. For all X, for all T1, for all T2, mortal X and born X T1 and greater than T2 minus T1 150 implies died X T2. Okay. Now for all X, for all T, alive XT implies not dead XT and not dead XT implies alive XT. Okay. So instead of bidirectional, here they have used single directional implications with and. So that also we can do. It is same as saying bidirectional. Okay. And then, so you have to note here that died and dead are two different predicates. Died and dead. Right? So how they are linked? They are linked in this. If someone died at T1, he is dead at all other times which are later than T1. So the predicate we have just discussed here, the last one. So here, instead of died, we have to say dead. Okay. And here also we have to say dead. Okay. So this is a minor change which we have to observe in these. Now we have to convert them into CNF. What will be the CNF? So this is correct. I'll just so this is CNF, this is correct. This is CNF, this is correct. This is CNF, this is correct. Now what about 4? What will be the CNF for 4? Yes, anybody? Anyone? I have to name? Atharv. Atharv, can you answer? Anshika, Anand, Abhinav. Can you answer for this? Fourth one. Either you say yes or no. Gyanendra.
Yes, sir.
Can you answer what is fourth
No.
one?
No, sir. I haven't practiced.
We have to convert it into the CNF. You remember what is CNF?
Yes, sir.
Anybody else? Ishita? Pranav? Ishita? Sai Teja? Khushi? Niharika? No? Nikhil? Nikhil, can you answer? Are you there, Nikhil? Nikita? Shailja?
No, sir, I don't know how to convert to CNF.
Shikhar? Shreyas? Siddharth? Nobody?
No, sir.
Vaibhav Gupta?
No idea.
Vaibhav Gupta? Vibhav, can you tell?
No, sir, I don't know.
Salil?
Yes, sir.
बताओ. This fourth one.
Sir, can you just show it again?
It is on the screen. Fourth one.
Yes, sir. So, winner model for all x, man x, model x.
So you can you give me the CNF? For CNF, what we have to do, we have to follow some steps. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what we will do here in this fourth one?
So, all x, man x, mortal x.
For all x, man x implies mortal x.
Yes, sir.
So what will be the CNF? How will you do? What will be the steps? First, we have to eliminate implications.
The implication, yes, sir.
So,
sir, for all x, man x, and mortal x.
For all x, not man x, non-man x, or
sir, why would it be not?
Mortal x. This will be your statement after removing this implication sign.
Sir, why would be there not before man x?
Not before man x means that's what I have done. Not man x.
Yes, sir. Why would there be? Shouldn't like all men are mortal? So when we are saying not man x and mortal x.
And not and. See, implication, the implication when we say P implies Q, I have already told you, P implies Q, it means the same thing as not P or Q.
Okay.
So implication का मतलब जो होता है in mathematics, so we cannot have what do you say, abstract meaning for any sign. Okay, so implication has a definite meaning, and implication when we say P implies Q, it means not P or Q. So that is why whenever we remove an implication, we have to replace it by this type of statement. Okay, then after doing this, for all x has to be removed. So there is nothing else which need to be done in this statement apart from removing universal quantifier. And since there is no other quantifier, we can simply remove it. So this will be your final CNF or stat number 4. What about 5? What about 5? So 5 is erupted volcano 79 and for all x, x implies died x 79. So here we can simply first make them separate predicates. There are two predicates which are independent to each other. So this predicate erupted volcano 79 is independent to for all x. So this is different predicate and this is different predicate. We can simply, before doing anything else, we can one thing is what we can do. We can just make them two statements instead of one. We can say 5 is erupted volcano 79 and next one is for all x Pompeian x implies died x 79.
Yes,
okay, so the first one will remain in CNF.
As it is.
We don't have to do anything. Erupted volcano 79 is same as, it will remain same. Now for all x Pompeian x implies died x 79, same thing has to be done as we have done. We have done for 4. So Pompeian x implies died x 79 will become not Pompeian x or died x 79, and all x will move. Now for 6th. Now for 6th, again we have to first remove this implication. We have to remove this implication. Everybody is able to see my pointer on the screen? Pointer dekh pa rahe ho?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is pointer. This implication has to be removed. Now to remove this implication, what we will do? We will say not of this, or dead xt2. So similar thing. Not फिर यहाँ पे होगा. Then not will come inside the bracket, and all of them will become not mortal x, and this and these ands will get converted into ors. So the final will be not mortal x or not born xt1 or greater than t2 minus t1 150 or dead xt2. That will be your final CNF. Okay. CNF matlab you should have different terms linked with or sign. There should not be any and sign in between. That is the CNF, conjunctive normal form. So in each predicate, in each statement, there should be only or connector, and connector should not be there. Okay, that is our task. Now is equal to 1991. So that we can do present 1991. Then alive xt. Alive xt implies, so again we have to first
separate.
We may separate them. Yeah. So what we could do? One will be alive xt implies not dead xt, and another will be dead xt. Not dead xt implies alive xt. Okay, and then we will convert them into CNF. Okay, so final CNFs will be this one. So man Marcus will be man Marcus. Pompian Marcus will be Pompian Marcus. Born Marcus 40 will be born Marcus 40. For all X, man X implies mortal X. That means not man X or mortal X. Erupted volcano 79, and for all X, Pompian X implies died X 79. So these will be the 2-1 for this. So fifth will get reduced to two statements, fifth and sixth in the output. Okay, after conversion. Then sixth one will be not mortal x2 or not born x2 t1 or not greater than t2 minus t1 150 or dead x2 t2. Okay, now is equal to 1991. That will remain same. Now is equal to 1991. For all x, for all t, alive xt implies not dead xt. So not alive xt or not dead x3t, dead x4t3 or alive x4t3. So these will get converted. Eighth will get converted to 2. So to remove implication sign, not will get attached to the first term and second term will get attached as it is with a or connector. That is how implication sign is replaced. So in both of them, this will be your output. And then you have to convert this one. Simply, we have to attach not. This and will get converted to or, not died xt1 or not greater than t2 t1 or dead xt2. So this will be your final. So in this now, so instead of using different variable from the beginning, now after conversion, these variables have been named differently. So here we see x, here we see x1, here we see x2, then x3 in this, x4 in this, x5 in this. Okay, so we may not use different variable while writing the predicate. इस समय जहां हमने किया वहां करने की जरूरत नहीं है. वहां हम x or t1 t2 whatever is applicable we can use, and we can name them differently while converting them into the CNF. Now what we have to do, we have to prove what question is, whether Marcus is alive or not. Okay, so the question was, is Marcus alive now? Is Marcus alive now? So assuming that he is not alive now, so what we have to prove? Suppose we want to prove not alive Marcus now. Okay, this we have to prove, for example. So if we have to prove this, so we assume that alive Marcus now, we add as a predicate. So after doing all this, we add another predicate, alive Marcus, comma now. So apart from these 11 predicates, we have added another predicate 12, okay, which is alive Marcus now, assuming it is true. Okay, now we start from this and try to resolve. Okay, let us see what happens. So alive Marcus now, we start from this and use the 10th. So यहाँ 10th गलत लिखा है, 9th होना चाहिए. So use the 9th one, alive Marcus now, and we have to use one of the predicate. Now let us see what we have to do. Please note here. Observe carefully. So alive Marcus now is the predicate which we have right now, and we want to find, we want to search. We will search a predicate which has not alive. Not alive is there. The predicate with negation sign. Same predicate with negation sign. कहाँ पे है? Not alive. Not alive is already only in ninth one. Okay, everybody is with me. So not alive is only in ninth one. So we consider the ninth one and combine it with this predicate and resolve these two predicates. So alive and not alive will cancel each other if they can match. So alive and not alive, this predicate alive, not alive in ninth and alive will cancel each other if they can match. Match means we have to use unification algorithm. Unification algorithm, alive, the predicate name is same, x3 has to become Marcus and t has to become now. So if we replace x3 by Marcus, if we replace x3 by Marcus and t by now, then we can cancel this term not alive Marcus now with alive Marcus now. Okay, and what we get is not dead Marcus now. So यहाँ ये थोड़ा गलत है. So this will be not dead Marcus now. Right? Now we have to find predicate with, we have to find any statement with a term not with the term dead. So we have to find predicate which has dead, which is present. So where it is present? It is present here, 7th, and it is present in 11th. So dead is present in two statements. Here what we have got not dead Marcus now. Okay. So not dead Marcus now can be matched either with 7th or 11th. Okay. Suppose we choose 11th one. So suppose we choose 11th one and we cancel this dead Marcus now with dead x5 t5. So to cancel dead Marcus now with dead x5 t5, what we have to do? We have to replace x5 by Marcus and t5 by now. So x5 will be replaced by Marcus and t5 will be replaced by now. So what this remaining statement will become? Not died, x5 is Marcus, t4 is t4. T4 is not replaced, only t5 is replaced. So not died Marcus t4 or greater than now comma. Okay. Everybody is with me? Can you answer? Can anyone answer? Any question? ये वाला समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this one we have received after resolving this with this. Okay. So we have received not died Marcus t4 or not greater than now t4. Okay. Now after that we have to either find a statement having predicate died so that we can match with or greater than. So we have to find any one. So let's try which one we can find died. So this one died. Sixth one contain died, and what we have recently got a new statement, it contains not died. So we can choose sixth one and try to resolve with this. So if we try to resolve this died. So what we have chosen? We have chosen sixth statement in our knowledge base to resolve with the currently received new statement. So this is the new statement and we try to resolve it with 6. Now after comparison, we see that this died and this died can match and cancel each other if we replace x1 by Marcus and t4 by 79. Okay, so after doing this match, what we will do? We will replace x1 by Marcus and t4 by 79. So if we do that, this will be the statement which we get. Not Pompeian x1, x1 is Marcus, so not Pompeian Marcus or greater than now 79, not greater than now 79. So this t4 will get replaced by 79 and this x1 will get replaced by Marcus. Okay. So what we get is not Pompeian Marcus or not greater than now 79. Okay. Now we have to find any one of them which contains Pompeian Marcus or greater than. तो greater than वाला तो कोई नहीं मिल रहा है. We have this one second which contains Pompeian and it is same as Marcus also. So if we try to match Pompeian Marcus with not Pompeian Marcus, yes, they are matched and they can cancel. So after resolving statement number 2 with newly received statement, what we will do? We will cancel Pompeian Marcus with not Pompeian Marcus and what we receive is not greater than now 79. Okay. So not greater than now 79. So T4 ये T4 नहीं है, ये 79 है. Okay, so not greater than now 79 and now is equal to 1991. That we already know. Now is equal to 1991. So what we get? Now we can replace with 1991. So this is not as, so mind that this now is not as predicate now. We cannot say now 1991. This is not correct. Now is equal to 1991 means we want to assign a value to a variable. Okay, instance, it is something like instance. So we can say instance now 1991, and wherever we want to use instance, we can replace the variable with the value. So here, since now is equal to 1991, we can replace now by 1991 and we get not greater than 1991 79. Not greater than 1991 79 is false. Okay, so it will return false. False means no statement, contradiction. So it will return a contradiction, means empty set. So we have reached to the contradiction. So if we assumed that Marcus is alive now, we have reached to a contradiction which is not true, and that is why we have proved that Marcus is alive now. Okay. Any question? So actually, how you have to show this in exam? You have to use alive. For example, what you will do? The same figure which we have seen last time. Similar type of figure we have to use. You remember what we did last time? कौन सा figure था हमारा? ये मैं दिखाता हूँ. तो हमें जब रिजोल्यूशन करके दिखाना है क्लास में, तो हमें इस तरह से दिखाना होगा. this way. Okay. So whichever predicate we are choosing, we have to mention here, and whichever predicate. So the two predicates or two statements we are using for resolution, we are considering for resolution, we will mention in this graph, and the resulting node will be shown like this out after making a match and removing the matching predicates. The predicate, the terms which are matching, you remove them and mention the substitution which you will make to resolve or to unify the resolving predicates. Those substitution you will make on this arc. Okay, so that is how you will show actually in the solution or resolution. So जो example हमने अभी किया है, that also the same. You will say alive, Marcus now, Marcus now, and second you will use the not alive. So ninth one will come here, ninth one, and then you will use these arcs, and here you will the substitution. So what will be substitution? X3 will be equal to Marcus, and T will be equal to now. So you have to mention here now X3 oblique Marcus, you can say oblique Marcus, T oblique now. So this substitution you will have to mention on this arc. You will say 9 here. So 9 you will mention this entire predicate, entire statement here, and this which you have considered to be true, and you will write this one dead Marcus now. You will write here dead Marcus now. Then you will pick 11th. So here you will say 11th, and then you will mention what substitution you have to do for both of them in the generated new statement. So that is how you will grow this graph, not in this way. Okay, this is a little bit confusing and not very clear. So that is why it is better that you show them in this way. So we will complete here. We will stop here. Any question? Anyone has any question?
No, sir.
Don't exit currently. I will just attendance. I'm just taking the
So
attendance now.
submit this assignment now.
Sorry.
So do we need to submit this assignment now on EduNext?
नहीं, वो असाइनमेंट सबमिट करने के लिए वैसे नहीं था, मतलब you had to submit before this class. This was not required for submission. This is not going to be graded anyway. This was just to discuss here. Okay, so now you don't have to submit it. You should have done it before.
Okay.
Still many of the students have not joined, so I just request you to see. I suppose you can see this, the list of invitees in this meeting. Everybody can see?
Yes, sir.
If you go to the meeting, can you see the list
Yes,
of
sir.
invitees? Okay.
Yes.
So make sure, just see, check who other students which have not been listed here. Okay, so just check if you know anybody in our class who is not present in this list. Just check and contact him or her and ask him to join or send me the email ID. Right? Can you do this? Everybody.
Yes, sir.
So if you know anybody who is in our class and who is not listed in this email list, so probably he has not given us the email ID. So I wish that you people contact him or her and mention this, that mention him to provide the IDs. Okay, thank you. So I will upload another assignment which you have to do for this. So that will be a different problem. Okay, not this assignment. This assignment was meant for the class assignment only and was having other, like I wanted it to be discussed in the class. But now I will give you another assignment which you have to perform, which you have to solve in the similar way on your copy and submit it. Okay, I will upload it by today evening or tomorrow and you have to complete it by Monday. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.